My name is Dr. P.C. Patel, retired research scientist on Agriculture University and guest faculty for University Vadodara. So the today topic of my YouTube is government support and eco-consciousness promote growth of biopellet and briquette market in India. So government support and eco-consciousness promote growth of biopellet briquette market in India. So the Indian briquette market is specialized segment within the country renewable energy and industrial sector. So biomass briquette, market drivers, environment awareness, industrial application, government support, and challenges. So recently, government support in biopellet production in India. So in terms of financial assistance, briquette pellet manufacturing plant up to rupees 9 lakh per metric ton per hour, manufacturing capacity maximum rupees 45 lakhs per plant, biomass cogeneration project up to rupees 40 lakhs per megawatt, installed capacity maximum rupees 5 crore per project. Eligibility self-funded projects are also eligible for financial assistance project with new equipment, machinery, quality or assistance. Application process. Proposal for central finance assistance are accepted through the Biourja portal before commissioning. Commissioning time frames 12 months for briquette pellet plants and 24 months for biomass cogeneration plant from the in-principle approval date. For more detail, you may contact to Sri Vikram Dhaka from the Biomass Division via email vikram mnre@gov.in. Additionally, the Indian government recognized biomass confirming in thermal power plants as renewable energy for meeting non-solar renewable purchase obligation. So benefit of biopellet. So removal of nitrate and phosphorus. No need to maintain specific doses or increase over time. Simple to use, set it and forget. Increase protein skimmer output. Similarly, for the benefit of the briquette, high calorific value, energy density, cost effectiveness, high energy efficiency, and long lasting heat. So first we are discussing on biopellet. So biopellet have other advantages such as low moisture content and high density, which contribute to their efficient combustion and ease of storage and transportation. Moreover, the calorific value of biopellet can vary depending on the raw material used, but generally have higher energy content. India burns approximately 670 million tons of coal annually for power generation. But the government of India recently mandated biomass co-firing in its coal plants, aiming to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve air quality for its population of 1.5 billion people. The Ministry of Power has mandated that every coal-based thermal power project operated by power generation utilized equipped with bowl mist must incorporate a 5% blend of biomass pellet derived from agro residue annually. So now the demand of the biopellet and briquette has been increased because government has told that 5% material has been used of the biomass pellet derived from agro residue annually. Can biomass pellet can be used for power generation in India? Yes. So it is a techno-economic feasibility, electric generation potential, then co-firing mandate. So here we are discussing about the hybrid Napier grass. In hybrid Napier, Super Napier, Pangchok 1, 10 years back, NDDB Anand brought the stem cutting of Super Napier from Thailand, and they have multiplied in his farm, Mujkuwa, 15 kilometers from Anand, and they have given the stem cutting to the farmers. And at present, the Super Napier variety is popular among the farmers, and it is also known as a bullet grass because it has a fast growth and more production. So scope of hybrid Napier grass for biopellet. So fuel properties of Napier grass. So calorific value, carbonization process, and results. In comparison with other biomass, the high heating value of Napier grass was determined to be 16.73 megajoule per kg, which is comparable to other biomass. So in next slide, we can see that I have compared the biopellet of the Napier grass with the other agriculture byproducts. Then biofuel potential. Napier grass has high volatile matter, a good carbon content, and lower as nitrogen and sulfur content. Its cellulose and lignin content make it suitable for bio-oil production. In summary, heavy Napier grass shows promise as a biofuel feedstock, especially when subject to carbonization process that enhance its fuel properties. Researchers continue to explore its potential for sustainable energy production. So here I have compared the Napier grass biopellet has a high calorific value, 4,245 kilocalorie per kg. So I have received the SGS report on 24th June 2024. So you can see here total moisture content 8.65% on diameter basis, S on diameter 7.85%, S as received basis 7.17%, gross calorific value diameter basis 4,245 kilocalorie per kg, and gross calorie value as received basis 3,878 kilocalorie per kg. So I told that it has a higher calorific value as compared to the other. So you can see here the crop waste pellet on stock 3,800, then corn stock 3,700, then potato stock 3,400, corn cob 4,238, peanut shell 3,800, rice straw 3,200, then wheat straw 3,500, then beanstalk 3,800, then rape straw 3,700. So the Napier grass biopellet has a higher gross calorific value as compared to rice straw, wheat straw, then it is range from 3,200 to 3,800 kilocalorie per kg. So moreover, super hybrid Napier grass has higher green forage production, 150 to 200 ton per acre per year in 5 to 6 cuttings. So it is a SGS report. Then biopellet from Napier grass. So research has studied the production of biopellet from different parts of Napier grass plant. So that experiment has been conducted at Malaysia, and they have taken two varieties, super Napier grass and wild Napier grass. So the key finding include energy density, pellet density, and durability. So studies have been conducted to produce biopellet from different parts of Napier grass plant. This study mimics a simplified model of common industrialization practice in which Napier grass is used. The high volatile matter and fish carbon Napier feedstock made it a good candidate for energy pellet production. This was supported by its high gross calorific value, as we have discussed earlier. The S content value were negligible with less than 10%. So we have seen earlier as they pass most standard for pellet solid fuel. So both Penchok Napier grass means super Napier, or in locally it is known as a bullet grass, and wild Napier grass biopellet densities obtained were higher than 0.65 gram cubic centimeter, and the durability was higher than 95%. This signifies that pellet can withstand repeated transport during handling without breakage. So keeping quality is better. The super hybrid Napier Penchok species biopellet recorded the highest durability of 9.95% at 73.80 MPa pressure and 13-minute compression time. For wild Napier, slightly it is inferior. The plankton one super Napier gas species biopellet reported the highest durability of 99.95% at 73.82 MPa pressure and 13-minute compression time. So we have discussed. So all in all, the overall data indicated that high quality of biopellet fuel was produced, thus demonstrating the sustainability of utilizing Napier grass for energy application. And therefore, throughout India, the people are asking me about the biopellet. I have so far more than 50 peoples from India, from various states and various parts, they have contacted me for bio-CNG from the hybrid Napier grass. And now farmers and companies are contacted me for the biopellets. So I have here super hybrid Napier production dependent on good cultivation practices, soil fertility status, and management practices. So here, you know that people are ask me that the productivity of the super hybrid Napier is 300 ton per acre per year. But you know that when we have to grow the bio-CNG purpose, we have to grow the larger land, 100 acre or 200 acre land for 5 ton capacity bio-CNG daily, and 100 acre required for 2.5 ton bio-CNG daily. So, you know that the soil is a heterogeneous mass. So, at all the corners of the field, we are not getting the constant production. So, I have taken here the average production. So, when we have the soil is very low, low, medium, high, and very high. So, when the green forage yield, then 80 tons, here low 100 tons per acre per year, then high 150 and very high 200. Then you know that in biopellet, generally I have considered 24% dry matter. So here, suppose we have the medium soil, then we are getting the 28.8% or a ton dry matter yield. Whereas the high fertile soil, we are getting 48 ton dry matter. And you know that yes, earlier we say that in SGS report, the 8.65% moisture is allowed. So I have considered 8%. Then we are getting the biopellet ton per acre per year from medium fertility soil 31.1, very high 51.84 tons per acre per year. And when we have the soil is low, then we are obtain only 20.74. Then I have calculated the gross income of biopellet at the rate of rupees 9,000 per ton. But the price ranges from 9 to 12,000, but I have taken minimum here 9,000. So from medium soil fertility, we are obtaining gross income 2.79 lakhs. Very high, we obtain 4.66 lakhs. Whereas in very low fertile soil, we are obtained 1.86 lakh gross income. Here, I have not calculated, not deducted the cost of cultivation of the hybrid Napier and the biopellet plant. The biopellet plant cost machinery ranges from 50 lakh, 2 crores and 4 crores. And for that, Government of India gives the subsidy. And the cost of cultivation of the hybrid Napier in first year about 50,000, second year 30,000, third year 30,000, fourth year, fifth year 30 to 35,000. However, If we consider all the cost of cultivation and project report of the machinery, then we can get the profit or net income from the biopellets. And therefore, the publics are interested. So economic and environmental benefits, so renewable resources, and therefore government of India gave the more promotion. Then cost effective, cultivation costs are relatively low, making it an economic choice. You know that Napier grass, once we are planting, it remains for 5 years. So it is a perennial one. And it is a hardy crop. It is not sensitive as cotton crop or sugarcane crops. There is no need of the insecticide and pesticide, and there is no insect and pest problem. Then plus point is that it helps in reduce greenhouse gas emission. And you know that at present we have the burning problem. So biopellet contribute to reducing greenhouse gas emission compared to fossil fuels. Local sourcing, cultivating Napier grass locally reduce dependence on important energy sources. So suppose we in India, you know that the hybrid Napier crops prefer the tropical climates. And India is situated or located in tropical climate. So we have the chance and we are not dependent or import energy sources from the foreign country. And therefore, government of India gave more importance. So summary, biopellet prepared from Napier grass are not only economically viable, but also contribute to sustainable energy production. Because you know that I told that once we planted the super hybrid Napier grass, then first year suppose we are obtain 150 ton, then second year 130, third year 120. So we are getting the sustainable production. So also we are obtaining the sustainable energy production from the hybrid Napier. Their good energy density and durability make them promising option for solar fuel application. Then how to prepare the Napier gas starting from plant technical process. So it is a simple process. It is not complicated as bio CNG from the. So here drying. So we can do the sun drying. Then crushing. So at present the crushing machine is available. So at present the combined harvesting machine is available. It not only harvest the Napier grass, but it also crush it. Then pelleting, then cooling and bagging. Then I have calculated here how much biopellet can be prepared from 40 ton of dry matter biomass of Napier grass with a density of 0.650 gram cubic centimeter. So I have taken the round figure. So you can see that 40 ton we are obtained in high soil fertility status. Dry matter actually we are obtained in between high and very high. So when the soil fertility is high, then we are obtaining the 40 ton dry matter. So I have taken here 40 ton, but we can calculate accordingly type of the soil fertility status. The super hybrid Napier gas production will be depend on good quality practices, soil fertility status, and management practices. So I have discussed convert mass to kilogram, then convert mass to kilogram. So 60 density 0.65 gram per cubic, then 650 kg per cubic meter. Then volume, so volume is 40,000 per kg. So from 40 ton of diameter biomass Napier gas, you can prepare approximately 61 cubic meter of biopellet. So 61.5 cubic meter of Napier gas biopellet would deviate approximately 36,900, 43,050 kg means average 40 ton per acre per year. So on the basis of the 40 ton, so the cost of the 1 ton biopellet calorific value 4,240 kilocalorie per kg in India. So the price, I told that I have taken, I told that the price of typically ranges from 8,000 to 12,000 per ton. So I have taken here the 9,000 average for the calculation. So gross income from 1 acre of Napier grass in fertile soil with well management practices, rupees 40 ton biopellet management, 40 ton biopellet of Napier grass at the rate of rupees 9,000 ton, so rupees 3.60 lakh obtained. The Napier grass remained in the same field for 5 years, so obtained gross income during 5 years approximately rupees 14.40 lakhs, considering the reduction of Napier grass yield after commencing the year. So I have calculated the reduction of the yield. The cost of cultivation of Napier grass of biopellet is not taken into account. So I told that the cost of biopellet and project cost is not included, but it is a comparatively we are getting the profit. And you know that at present the farmers are asking me from the Pune side that the hybrid Napier also the comparable crop with the sugarcane, because in sugarcane crop we are harvest only once and the farmer get the money once in a year or 1.5 years. Whereas suppose you grow the hybrid Napier, then the farmer harvest 6 times, 7 times, then they are getting the money for 7 times. And you know that without money, it is very difficult to survive in life. So money is very important. So one person from the Pune company, Uja company called me at Pune, and the sugarcane farmer have interested and told to the farmer that I told to the Urja company manager that sir, you prepare the biogas and we will supply the sugarcane crop, so hybrid Napier crop at the rate of rupees 80 paisa or 80 paisa per kg. So if you have a link liking my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my channel. So at the rate of PCP Anam underscore soil health, at the rate of PCP forage, then it is my link. So thank you very much. And if you have problem related to bio CNG or biopellet or the planting of the hybrid Napier grass, particularly super Napier, then please contact me. My name is Dr. PC Patel. My mobile number or WhatsApp number 99090221116. My email is patelpc12 at the rate of gmail.com. So thank you very much.